Oh, sandwich time. Sandwich time. So this is Ezekiel bread. Genesis. See? This is organic bread. We have a little bit salami cheese. Haverty cheese. This cheese better than that salami. But it's good salami, supposedly. My grandpa in love with this salami. But we know better stuff. See? See, so cheesy. We're gonna make 2 sandwiches. This is double. McDouble. So, we're gonna do like that. See? 1, see? 2, 1, 2. McDoubles. See, McDoubles. See? We're gonna put a little bit more. Then cheesy, we have cheesy, more cheesy. Thank you for watching. God bless you. We just make good videos only for you, only for you. Only for YouTubers. See? We make good videos. See, we used all the salami. You see, only for you. Only for you. This is not everyday thing. This is a holiday. Holiday season. See? Oh my god. See? We got cheese here, cheese. See? Do in half like this. See? Boom. Boom. And we do one here. And this is triple doubles. See? And then, watch. No, you have to shift, you know. See, like this. Triple, double, triples. This is triple triplets. Thank you for watching. See now, microwave time. This is Oster microwave. They make barber clippers. And they make microwaves. And other electronic stuff. Thank you for watching. Oh wow, so now we're gonna put on, see, 29, very little temperature. Start. Oh wow, so juicy. Chuck can't wait to eat. Chuck, you my boy, Chuck. You're my best friend. And Julie here, and my baby here. See, my baby and me. Thank you for watching. See, 8 seconds. God bless you for watching. Thank you. We just making little videos and juice, man. Juice. Juice, man. Juicy. Look at me, boy. We making sandwiches. 9 seconds, 8 seconds. I put it on 21 more seconds. So first time 29 seconds, and now 21 more seconds. And these sandwiches all looking so dripping. Baby, can you grab them out, please? Wow, so cool, baby, so cool. Sandwiches looking so nice. Thank you for watching our channel. Wow. See? Baby, try it out. What it tastes like. You don't want to try it for the YouTube? My baby a little bit shy, but see, we have sandwiches. Chuck, can't wait to bite. He said, give me cheese. Look, oh man. Toy poodles love cheese. Every dog loves cheese. See, even cats love cheese. He over here. See? Thank you for watching my videos. Please check out sandwich time. Fishing time. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.
Sandwich. Fish.